My good friend, the Deputy Governor, has invited me on a discussion in the chapter of Lamentations. I don't want to be part of that discussion because the county government is bigger than me or the deputy government or any other person. Any agreement done by politicians remains an agreement of politicians. The biggest agreement is the agreement with these people. As I will go around the whole world discussing some things, it will not help us, not put food on the table. What will put food on the table is what we can do for these people. Oh, my friend, you have a lot of respect for Kericho. Maybe you are a deputy governor, nimekwambia kazi yako, chair sub-county committees, kazi ya pili, you are leader of government business, kazi ya tatu, help us in water department. And that is why you are going round. You do 150 liters of fuel, just like I do. You have two vehicles, yours and an escort car. Maybe I only have one, but you have two. We can increase for you to be 3. We can also help your office with whatever you want. We can double the fuel from 150 to 300. But what I'm just saying is that we must stop these things that we go out there and discuss issues that are supposed to be addressed. It makes us look stupid. If as leaders, our work is to come and complain instead of telling people the way forward. We may have our own internal issues, but the best way to do is to come to the office and we discuss these issues. Because I can tell you, for me, I don't have any problem with you. But what I'm just asking you is that let's mature, let's step up, so that we rise above petty politics. 2027 will come. Na hiyo tutachipanga pia. Haitatushinda, but we want to work together for this period to assist our people. And out of Kericho yote, for the MPs and everyone, very soon we are going a meeting for consultation. The agenda is not about positions. Maneno ya positions tulimaliza kitambo. Agenda sasa ni raia, because we are already remaining with 4 years. And we must deliver for these people. And that is why we are saying we treat everybody with respect and every office with respect. But we don't want to mislead our people because we have intentions of discrediting government. A government, tuliunda na mheshimiwa friend. Whatever way, you know, even if we will go around and say this and this, the raia will always remember that there is a governor and a deputy governor. And as long as we are still in those offices, we will be charged together equally. So my appeal is that tuingie ofisi kama kuna shida, tuseme maneno yetu. Arai, angu nyoma kia biasa yati, au kuanga asiste, ngage ngode television, kimude wanide ngogwe. Kwa haya machache, tafanya kazi na marafiki wetu wote. And we just want to move forward and have a conversation on how to help our people and not our own selfish interests. We want to change our people and change our county government of Kericho. To this point of time, I'm going to mapikia the train boys have a principle. Najua kuna properties that was damaged. We will come and sort out those issues at the boys in terms of the properties they destroyed. We will come there and sort them, even Cheptenye and the rest. But we must have a meeting commissioner of all the BOG members, BON members, and our principals, so that we begin to mitigate these things early. This is our time. We must take charge of this county, you and I and your team, so that we have a prosperous Kericho as we move forward. Kwa haya machache, nataka tukaribishe county commissioner wetu atusomee hotuba wa rais. You are welcome so much, county commissioner, utusomee. And I want to say this as you come.